Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's topic, we are going to look for equations of ellipse in a complex plane. So, SP and S dash P. Here, take P any general point on the ellipse, which is has the Z as a complex plane coordinate, and S and S dash are the foci. S has the coordinate Z0 and S dash Z1. So SP the distance here will be mod Z minus Z0 and S dash P will be mod Z minus Z1. We learned from the previous class that SP plus S dash P is equal to mod Z minus Z0 plus mod Z minus Z1, which is equal to a constant. Here it is K, where K is greater than mod Z0 minus Z1, which is the distance between the two foci. Here point to note is that the area of ellipse x square by a plus y square by b square, here is square, is equal to 1 is pi ab square units. It will become a circle if a is equal to b is equal to radius. So circle is a special case of ellipse where a and b are equal to a fixed radius. We have to learn that area of ellipse is pi ab square units. Okay, now let's solve an example. Let f1 and f2 denote foci of the ellipse 9x square plus 25y square is equal to 225 and p be any point on the ellipse. Find the perimeter of triangle f1, f2 and p. So this is the triangle P is any general point of the ellipse. F1 and F2 are the foci. Here it is F1 and here it is F2. So first write this equation in a standard form. We take 225 on the right hand side, which will be on denominator, and 9 we can write this as 1 by 9 in denominator. So 225 by 9 and 225 by 25. Here on dividing this properly, we can get x square by 25 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. The perimeter will be pf1 plus pf2 plus f1 f2. So pf1 and pf2 is a constant, which is 2a, and f1 f2 is the distance between the foci, which is 2ae. Getting 2a common from this, we can get 2a in bracket 1 minus e. Here the value of a from here is, this is a square, so a will be 5, and in case of e we have to find it by the eccentricity formula. By using the eccentricity formula, you can get the value of e, put it here, and then you can get 2 into 9 by solving, which is 18 units. So the final answer will become 18 units. The perimeter of triangle f1 f2 p is 18 units. Next question is, find the area of ellipse passing through the point 4, 1 and has foci at 3, 0 and minus 3, 0. So here the information is given about P, S and S dash. P's coordinate are 4, 1, S has 3, 0 and S dash is minus 3, 0. Generalized equations, the standard equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Here S is 3, 0 and S dash is minus 3, 0 and P is 4, 1. So we know SP plus S dash P is a constant, which is 2a. So the distance, we can find it by the distance formula. SP and S dash P, which is under root 4 minus 3 the whole square plus 1 minus 0 the whole square plus under root 4 minus 4 minus of minus 3, which is 4 plus 3 the whole square, and 1 minus 0 the whole square, and which is equal to 2a. On reducing and solving this, we can get root 2 plus 5 root 2 is equal to 2a, which is 6 root 2, which is 6 root 2 is equal to 2a, and a is 3 root 2. Here find SS dash, the distance between the foci, which is 2ae. The distance is 6, as we can see from here, from this to this, it's on x-axis, so minus 3 and 3 minus of minus 3 plus 3, which is 6, and 2ae, we have the value of a at 3 root 2, and we have to find e. So the eccentricity is 1 by root 2. Now to find the area we need the value of b also. So use this equation, b square is equal to a square in bracket 1 minus e square. This is the formula of eccentricity just in a standardized manner. So b square is equal to 18 in bracket 1 minus 1 by 2. B square will be 9, so b is equal to 3. So the area of the ellipse is pi ab square units. So in place of a and b, put the values. A is 3 root 2 and b is 3. So we will get 9 root 2 pi square units. So this will be your answer for the area of ellipse. The next question is find the area of ellipse in mod z minus 2i plus z plus 2i is equal to 10. This question is your homework question. Do write the answer in the comment box below. Now let's move on to the next question, which is find the equation of ellipse whose length of minor segment is equal to distance between foci and the length of LR is 10 units. So the length of lateral sectum LR is given as 10 units. We know the formula is 2b square by a. From here we can get an equation which is b square is equal to phi a, and also condition is given that the length of minor segment is equal to the distance between foci. So the length of the minor segment is equal to the distance between the foci. From here you can get 2AE is equal to 2B. So B is equal to AE. From using the formula B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square and substituting the value of AE as B, we can get the value as 2B square is equal to A square, and you know B square is phi a. To put it here you get 10A is equal to A square, A is equal to 10. If A is equal to 10, then by putting the value of A in here we can get the value of B, which is under root 50. The equation of ellipse will be x square by A square, which is 100, plus y square by B square, which is 50, is equal to 1. So this will be the overall equation of the ellipse. Next is to find the eccentric angle of a point P on the ellipse x square by 6 plus y square by 2 is equal to 1, whose distance from the center of ellipse is 2 units. So there is an ellipse, there is a point which has coordinate a cos theta comma b sin theta, a parametric point, and you know the eccentric angle, you mean this angle theta which it makes from the x-axis. So here from the equation we can see a square is 6, so a is root 6, and b square is 2, so b is root 2. The parametric point P has a cos theta and b sin theta. To put the values of a and b here, you can get root 6 cos theta and root 2 sin theta. Here we can see that the center is at origin. So in question they have given that the distance of the center of ellipse and the point P is 2 units, means this distance OP is 2 units. You can write this as root 6 cos theta the whole square plus root 2 sin theta the whole square and the distance square, which is 2 square. On solving this further, you can get 2 cos square theta is equal to 1, so cos theta is plus minus 1 by root 2. The values of theta are either 45 degree or 135 degree, or theta will be minus 45 degree or minus 135 degree. The point can be on first quadrant or fourth quadrant, so depending on it there will be the signs here. Hope you liked today's session. Do consider subscribing our channel and hit that like button. Also share this video with your friends, and thank you for watching.